Hello everyone, welcome to TekTalks. Our today's topic is about CRM, its challenges, and how TekHQS is providing solution for CRM's problems. As an expert CRM, I have today as a guest Director Growth and Partnership by TekHQS. Please welcome Mr. Shahzad Siddiqui. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Welcome, sir.
How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah.
Fine, sir. As you know, I call you here today to talk about CRM. Today's my first question is about is it CRM some old school technology or it's a Gen Z term, and how CRM is still incorporating AI and providing solutions that companies are already looking for?
Okay. First of all, Ayesha, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts and experience about the CRM and AI adoption and all that. First of all, CRM is a system of records. So it's just like a digital cabinet where you have all kinds of information regarding your customers, regarding your sales staff, regarding your sales team, your support, and all that. So AI, I believe, is not replacing. AI is actually augmenting to have more, business process visibility, intelligence, and predictions, and all that. For example, previously CRMs were only managed to keep the record of the customers, their sales team, staff, their scores, and all that. But nowadays, when you add AI, so AI is now basically enhancing that. It is predicting that what kind of sales team action will be giving more needs to that. It will automatically summarizing the data, for example, their email summary or their follow-up action and all that. So I believe, for your question, AI is basically only dependent on a quality system data. If CRM is not having a quality system data or qualified data, AI alone will definitely cannot do anything.
That sounds interesting to me. Finally, I somehow understand what CRM is, and CRM is no more a Gen Z or an old school term. CRM is evolving as the technology is evolving. I'm right, sir?
Yes, and I want to add one thing over here at TekHQS. We have a little team who is developing AI agentic, agents, tools, which are integrating with the CRM, which are giving them the visibility and the workflow, according to the business requirements. So, for example, there are different industries, so they want to see different type of dashboards, different type of reports. So, every structured report or format is not available in the CRMs because they have a generic information. So here TekHQS expertise comes in, and we integrate these AI integration layer in a way that they can see the exact business, visibility, ROI, and all that.
When he's talking about CRM designing and customization, let's ask him how a client approach you when you are giving services about CRM, and how you are customizing the CRM that already working with the AI, and how is it's more efficient than the.
That's a very good question. First of all, you need to understand that we are not here to sell any CRM. For example, we are selling Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. We have at a very first level as an expert, we have to do discovery calls. What are the discussion topics in discovery calls? What is their current business process flow? Which teams want to use that CRM? Okay. What is their customer journey? What kind of services or products they are selling?
Exactly.
Which departments are involved? And what existing systems? This is very important. Already in place. Either they are actually any SAP or any other ERP, either they have any other e-commerce platform from where they need to integrate the customer's data, either they have any financial system in place which is giving all sort of invoicing, sales stuff and things like that. And if they have any HR and payroll system, so they want to do the commissioning thing, do the sales ads, team structuring and all their companies policies and all that. So first of all, we try to understand their current business processes. What are the priority field areas which they want to address? what kind of a solution they want to see. And most importantly, what is the canvas for the visibility their senior management want to see. This is very important. So nowadays, it's not a typical, any CRM or ERP and other system, which is, I can say it's a reverse engine. First, business was selling their requirements to the technical teams, and they were developing or getting subscription of any ERP or CRM. Now, business layer is knowing that okay, AI is there, and I need this type of visibility, this type of dashboard, this type of reports from the system. And I believe as a CEO that okay, AI can do it. So now every CRM is adopting AI, and they are making sure that they have integration on top of that. For example, Salesforce have integration, they expose APIs for the communication channels like Slack, then data extraction from Upwork or Sales Navigator or any other third party. So this is where all the CRM companies, they are adopting AI, and they are making sure that it can help them to sell their software.
Fine. As far as I can understand, he has explained so well. So your WordPress is not just a CRM that you can drag and drop. It is giving you intelligent analytics, right,
yes.
sir? In my next question, I'm going to ask Mr. Shahzad Siddiqui that has he been with any client that wanted to ask something new for CRM, or is your team working on a project that has CRM which is very different than already present CRMs, WordPress, HubSpot?
For this, my customer was asking me ITDS CRM. Okay, after multiple discovery and exploration sessions, I just got to know that okay, they already have a CRM, they already have ERPs, they already have the other systems in place. But what was the problem? Their managers was not having a single dashboard or visibility.
Exactly.
They can see the sales team efforts, they can see the customer support fees, they can see the sales or revenue, they can see all type of statistics, trending and all that. So what we have done for them, we developed our integration layer.
That sounds interesting.
That was a customized solution where TekHQS have expertise. So basically, we are not selling CRM or any kind of services. Okay, as we are focused on this Salesforce or Dynamics 365, we are basically helping them as a expert and you can say consultant, and we are not even charging our clients for that.
Oh, that's great.
So basically, we are not pushing them to get something from our company. Basically, we are helping them to adopt the AI which is trending and get benefit out of it.
So if a client right now contact you
Yes.
and ask you what you can do for me, as he's already running CRM,
Yes.
so what would be your first approach?
I would like assist them. I will first of all go deep dive. I will check that what kind of processes they have. Either they are, for example, for a software house like our TekHQS. Our main focus is to outreach for different kind of services. We are more into the customized with services that yes, we do have some SaaS-based products as well. So I will further explore that okay, their sales team also doing the cold calling, also doing the email campaign stuff, also getting some other information data or contact database already. So then I will check that either these separate systems have exposed APIs which are compatible with the CRM. We are going to pitch that. So this is very important, because if I pitch any CRM, what we have expertise, and later their systems are not able to integrate, that will be a big mess.
So viewers, I guess you have all the information that you need to learn about CRM and AI augmentation in the CRM. So my last question is, we are going to ask Mr. Shahzad Siddiqui that how can you as a customer contact him or the TekHQS team to get that augmentation in your already present CRM. So kindly please.
Thank you so much. So guys, I mean, if you need any kind of, assistance, any kind of help, any kind of guidance, I would be more than happy to assist. You can approach me via my LinkedIn profile, you can DM me, and you can also email me at leads@TEKHQS.com. So I will be more than happy to guide you that okay, you wanna work with the Salesforce, Microsoft and her 365, Zoho, HubSpot, Sugar CRM, Pipeline, Close.io. What is the best one? So we are here the integrators, we are here the custom solution development team. We are not selling any new specific CRM. So we are more than happy to assist you. Even we can develop a customized, small platform for you with the agentic layer.
So we have anything that we can give as a demo to our customers?
Yes, definitely. You always there. Actually, let me clear you, Ayesha. Demo is something which is available as a ready product.
Okay.
So what we are doing, being a student of a business development, I am drafting a sort of a simulation or a sort of a visualization for the needs and pain of that particular customer and industry.
Exactly.
So every time I'm available, like I would love to give some sort of animation or simulation that how it works. What will be the solution?
Thank you so much, sir. It was very nice talking to you. Viewers, I hope you have all the answers related to your CRM queries and AI augmentation. But don't worry, if you still have queries, please make sure to post in the comments, in the inbox, and in my upcoming episodes, we will continue our discussion with Mr. Shahzad Siddiqui about the CRM topic and the AI augmentation in the field. Thank you so much for joining me.